guys! Welcome to my vlog! So I am your Ate Shane and I'm super excited for today's video because I'm going to share with you on how to greet people in different languages and dialects. Are you ready? Say
Ready.
very good! So let's get started and learn some new greetings together. Greetings are words or gestures used to acknowledge someone when we meet them. They are important because they show respect and politeness, help build good relationships, and make people feel welcome and valued. In English, we say hello or hi. Say it again. Hello or hi. In Filipino, we say, kumusta or mabuhay. Sabihin nga natin ulit, kumusta or mabuhay.
Uy, kamusta na? Uy, ito, buhay pa ako.
Maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Maupay nga udto. Sawadika. Annyeonghaseyo. Nugabayon na antaan sa mga salita Pangasinan, bangatan ta kayo. Unya, nung manaakar ka uddalan, isan ano na mo ikakarawan mo, isan gabay mo yung makatutong sikato, unyay ibagang. Masantos siya kabosan at sika, masantos siya ngaram at sika. Insan, imbis ka, biyan at to'y bagay, lanang ka nakasibangot. Sa maragkap yung panagbati at manlalapon, walay pangital-talag tayo at saray totoo. Ang nilabat at saray kabat tayo, nagtapati at saray at tayo kabat. And that's a wrap. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy learning these greetings. See you in the next video.